A very good morning to all of you guys. Now finally I have come my place where I regularly practice my this is speaking journey, English is learning journey. So weather is beautiful. It rained heavily last night. It was torrential weather and it was a thunderstorm. So it is still a cloudy sky, but Surnarayan has come and he has started brightening, and it's windy and but it's breezy. So it's 28th of March 2026. It's Saturday. Uh, so what should I talk about today? Yeah, overthinking. What is overthinking? Overthinking drains our energy. What we get by overthinking? Nothing. Totally useless, and sometimes it not it just not drains our energy, but also demotivate us, and sometimes by the effect of overthinking we can make ourselves disease, illness, many many type of problems, physical issues can be rise with this. And many of us many of us have this overthinking issues. The question is, what is overthinking and how can we get rid of this habit of overthinking? Exactly, I don't know. Overthinking, it means when you start something and when something hasn't happened and you just keep on thinking on that particular which uh, hasn't happened yet. So in my view, that is overthinking. And when you about to start something and before starting you just think about again and again uh, that pros and cons about that, and that is overthinking. Yes, sometimes we should think before doing or before speaking something, but again and again thinking is called overthinking. So likewise, earlier when I have started this journey of speaking in front of camera. I was unsure. I used to think a lot about, so what will people say if someone see my uh, video. They will think that I am not good enough to speak, and I do mistakes and many things. And as you know, uh, I speak spontaneously. I don't prepare. So every day, every time, whenever I come to this place, I I used to think over and over, what will I will speak on in front of camera. Sometimes opening the camera, lots of thinking. Uh, by thinking, I forget what should I think. So, and uh, it it was also happened in my uh, profession, advocacy profession, when I have to present before the court. Then in a simple uh, simple argument, I used to think over and over. And even though sometimes I think like that as well nowadays, but sometimes when I gather my energy and think, whatever uh, whatever uh, be whatever comes, I will face, and I have to say. Then I just got rid of this problem. And likewise, when I come to this place and start overthinking, just I use this technique. I just stop thinking and just pick this phone from my pocket and opening the camera and start speaking. So this way I can uh, get rid of overthinking. For some, for someone, it can help uh, to jot it down on your notebook or your copy. Write down what comes in your thought. You will get the answer by yourself. Sometimes when you are all alone and try to when you get stuck in somewhere in your life and you are all alone and try to get solution. So when you keep yourself thoughtless and calm, composed, then you will get answer for after some time. For sometimes, for someone, they can talk to their elders in family who is wiser than you are considered then you. And sometimes, as you know, when you get stuck in some issues of life, then when your mind is not able to think and get the solution. Sometimes what happens, when you think over and over, then you are not able to get the right solution, because your mind is just puzzled, and your mind is puzzled, and you are not able to get the right answer. But the person who is beside you, and he is not that puzzled about your problem, then talking with him, that he can be think effortlessly, uh, effortlessly of your problem, and he can uh, get your answer. So in my view, every medicine and not work for everyone, or not work for every situation. It depends on the situation and your belief system. So this is all about. So we should stop, and we should get rid of overthinking. This is not a good thing, uh, in my view. And somewhere down line, everyone have the same problem. They uh, overthink before doing anything, and my solution is just stop it, and let me happen what will happen, and go with flow. Sometimes not thinking and just go with flow, it is also a solution. It can be also a solution. So this is all about in today's videos. So thank you for watching up to now. I am going to wind up this video, and soon I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have fun, and have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.